Another one completed. Devil's Hill Falls. Oh, it's another one down. Greenlink, Rotary Trail Falls. Another waterfalls done. Grand River Falls. Before I do, Embrees Brook Falls. We got another one done. Oh wow, that's nice. We're at Gairloch Mountain Falls. Another waterfall's done. Corney Brook Falls. Trail in was beautiful. Just scenic, gorgeous, all hardwood trees and oh yeah. Another one done. Macintosh Brook Falls. We'll get it all in. Another one down. Beulach Bains Falls. Let's go have a closer look. Or at least a more up close and personal one. What is that? Elgin Brookfalls. Get a St. James River Falls. We're just about to hike back out. That falls is gorgeous. There we go. Lower North River Falls. That's another one done, number 12. We're all done now. That's Usige Falls. I'm going to see if I can get up it. Look at that. This is beautiful. Gorgeous. Up there, jump. Macrae Brook Falls. Is that what I called this? Macrae Brook? No. We made to Farm Brook Falls. Another one down. All right. We found it. That might be as far as I can get. You okay? Yeah. I got it on video. All is good. I'm going to stay up here. Good idea. Okay. Framboise River Falls. I forgot who told me about it. But it's pretty cool. Spencer Brook Falls. Yeah, it's flowing good today. That's for sure. Watch my step because it's nice and slippery. Don't know if you can hear me with the water rushing. So nice with so much water running down. Salt Brook Falls, another one off the list.
1,
here we are. Awesome. This is Brook Falls or Camp Carter Falls. I'm not sure what name they use for it. Oh. A guardrail. I'm going to take a picture. Just a different angle. Oh yeah, very pretty.
What's this thing called?
Lower O-Band Waterfalls.